Alright guys, we're going to go over how to fix any developer error code. Specifically, the one I had was developer error code 6347. So the first thing we want to do is go on the bottom left here if you're running a Windows and you type in Call of Duty and you want to run as an administrator. The second option we have here is we go under Battle.net, under Modern Warfare. We're going to click Options and we're going to try and scan and repair the game. This is going to try and see if the game can repair the files that are corrupt. So I have a NVIDIA graphics card. The third thing we're going to try here is I'm going to open up GeForce Experience. And what we're going to look for on the top left here is under drivers. We're going to see if there's any new updates, or if you see updates here that you haven't done, well then download the updates and this might fix your issue. Now for the fourth option here, we're going to open up Discord. We're going to go under user settings down below. We're going to click overlay under app settings here. We're going to disable in-game overlay. For the fifth option here, we're going to locate where we save our Modern Warfare files. So mine's in my D drive. I'm going to click Modern Warfare and I want to delete all the files except for Modern Warfare Launcher and Modern Warfare.exe. Do not delete the folders. Now after you've deleted those files, we're going to go back into our Battle.net launcher and we're going to click under Modern Warfare again in Options. Then we're going to use scan and repair. So we're going to replace these files by doing scan and repair and see if we found the issue that was corrupting the developer error. Now for the final step, and the one that has the highest success rate, but you would want to do the least, this is the one you want to try last. So I want to go under options here and I want to uninstall a game. And uninstalling and reinstalling the game, you're going to download the latest version of Call of Duty and hopefully you delete the file that was corrupting or causing the developer error.